Day 22, SO Exam Preparation GK, Science or English Questions. General Knowledge. 1. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer, Buller Lake. 2. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 3. Which Indian state is called the Land of Rising Sun? Answer, Arunachal Pradesh. 4. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. 5. Which was the first Indian satellite to be launched into space? Answer, Aryabhat. 6. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Answer, nitrogen. 7. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Answer, Shah Jahan. 8. What is the currency of Bangladesh? Answer, Bangladeshi Taka. 9. Who wrote the famous book, Discovery of India? Answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. 10. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? Answer, Kerala. 11. What is the capital of Canada? Answer, Ottawa. 12. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer, Australia. 13. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution in India? Answer, M.S. Swaminathan. 14. What is the national game of Japan? Answer, sumo wrestling. 15. Which Indian personality is also known as the father of the nation? Answer, Mahatma Gandhi. 16. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? Answer, France. 17. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer, Indira Gandhi. 18. Which Indian city is called the Manchester of India? Answer, Ahmedabad. 19. Which is the longest highway in India? Answer, 20. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations? Answer, New York, USA. Science. 21. Which element is the main component of diamonds? Answer, carbon. 22. What is the C unit of force? Answer, Newton. 23. Which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? Answer, vitamin K. 24. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer, Mars. 25. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Answer, Na. English. 26. Choose the correct synonym for adversity. A. Hardship. B. Happiness. C. Peace. D. Success. Answer, a hardship. 27. Identify the grammatically correct sentence. A. She goes to school every day. B. She go to school every day. C. She goes to school every day. D. She going to school every day. Answer, C. She goes to school every day. 28. Find the correctly spelled word. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receive. D. Receive. Answer, B. Receive. 29. Fill in the blank. He has been working here 5 years. Answer, 4. These. Choose the correct antonym of optimistic. A. Hopeful. B. Pessimistic. C. Cheerful. D. Confident. Answer, B. Pessimistic.